Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a librarian job application letter. I'll explain what this type of letter is, why it's important, and how to write each section clearly and professionally. As always on this channel, I'll break down what to write, why it matters, and give helpful tips so you know exactly how to write your own. Let's get started. A librarian job application letter is a formal letter written by someone applying for a librarian position at a public library, school library, academic library, or community library. This letter introduces your education in library science, your experience working with collections and patrons, and your commitment to literacy, learning, and access to information. Because librarians work closely with the public, this letter should sound professional, knowledgeable, organized, and welcoming at the same time. Now let's go through the letter step by step. We begin with the sender's contact information. This section includes your full name, home address, professional email address, and phone number. This information allows the employer to contact you easily and shows that your application is complete. In this letter, the sender's details are written as Natalie A. Brooks, 2918 Cedar Ridge Lane, Madison, WI5 3711. Email, natalie.brooks@email.com. Phone, 608-5552-847. When writing your own letter, always double-check your contact details. A small mistake here can cost you an interview. Next is the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps the hiring manager organize applications. In this example, the date is written as Date, March 19th, 2026. Always write the full date clearly and avoid using short forms. After that comes the receiver's information. This section tells the reader exactly who the letter is addressed to and where it is being sent. In this letter, the receiver's information is Hiring Manager, Madison Public Library, 201 West Mifflin Street, Madison, Wisconsin 53703. Including the correct library name and address shows professionalism and attention to detail. Next is the subject line. The subject line tells the hiring manager the purpose of your letter at a glance. In this letter, the subject line is Subject, Application for Librarian Position. Keep your subject line simple, direct, and easy to understand. Now we move to the salutation, which is a very important part of any formal letter. The salutation is your respectful greeting. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is always appropriate. Never skip the salutation because it sets the tone for the letter. Now let's move into the first body paragraph, which is the introduction paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you are applying for, your educational background, and your general professional experience. You also briefly explain your passion for librarianship. Why this paragraph is important is because it introduces you as a qualified professional and creates the first impression. Tips for this paragraph: mention your degree, your experience, and your motivation in a confident but professional way. Here's the first paragraph from the letter. I am writing to apply for the librarian position at Madison Public Library. I hold a master's degree in library and information science and have professional experience supporting library operations, assisting patrons, and managing both print and digital resources. I am passionate about promoting literacy, lifelong learning, and equal access to information within the community. This paragraph clearly shows education, experience, and values, all in one strong opening. Next is the second body paragraph, where you describe your practical experience and daily responsibilities. In this paragraph, you explain what you do in your current or previous library role, including working with patrons, managing collections, and using library systems. Why this paragraph is important is because libraries want to know exactly how you function in a real library environment. Tips for this paragraph: mention specific tasks, technology skills, organization, and your ability to help patrons of different ages. Here is the second paragraph from the letter. In my current role as an assistant librarian at Lakeside Community Library, I assist visitors with research inquiries, catalog materials, organize collections, and support daily circulation services. I am comfortable working with library management systems, maintaining accurate records, and guiding patrons of all ages in using library technology and resources effectively. This paragraph shows technical skills, organization, and strong public service ability. Now we move to the third body paragraph, which focuses on why you want to work at this specific library and highlights your personal strengths. In this paragraph, you connect your professional values with the library's mission and explain what kind of librarian you are. Why this paragraph is important is because libraries look for candidates who truly care about community service and teamwork. Tips for this paragraph: mention the library by name, highlight shared values, and describe your personal qualities clearly. Here is the third paragraph from the letter. I am especially drawn to Madison Public Library's commitment to community engagement and educational programming. I am detail-oriented, patient, and highly organized, with strong communication skills that help create a welcoming and supportive environment for library users. I work well both independently and as part of a collaborative team. This paragraph shows alignment with the institution and highlights key librarian traits. Next is the closing paragraph, which wraps up the letter professionally. In this paragraph, you express interest in further discussion and indicate your availability for an interview. Why this paragraph is important is because it leaves a confident and polite final impression. Tips for this paragraph: be courteous, confident, and clear about your interest. Here is the closing paragraph from the letter. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and enthusiasm for library services can contribute to your institution. I'm available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This closing is polite, professional, and proactive. After that, we finish with the formal closing and signature. The closing word and signature complete the letter respectfully. In this letter, it is written as, Sincerely, Signature, Natalie A. Brooks. This signals the end of the application letter. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing a librarian job application letter. Always keep your tone professional, calm, and welcoming. Highlight both your technical skills and your ability to serve the public. Be clear, organized, and specific in your examples. Avoid long, confusing sentences, and always proofread your letter carefully. Most importantly, show your passion for literacy, learning, and community service, because these values matter greatly in librarianship. And that's how you write a librarian job application letter, step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more clear and easy writing guides. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials. See you on the next video.